Liquiloans, a review of P2P lending in India. Want to know if P2P lending is a safe option for growing your money? Wondering if P2P lending is too risky for your investment portfolio? Are you hesitant to explore P2P lending due to potential risks? Stay tuned as we dive into the risk factors and how to assess them in this video. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to take the right financial decisions and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in life faster and smarter. Now let us see a detailed review of P2P lending in India, especially through the platform called Liquiloans. What is P2P lending? Peer-to-peer lending is a new way for people to borrow and lend money directly, bypassing traditional banks and NBFCs. Liquiloans is one such P2P platform in India that connects borrowers with investors. Liquiloans might seem like a tempting proposition for high returns, but let's dissect the concept of P2P lending to see if it aligns with your risk profile. Is Liquiloans safe to invest? P2P lending is considered high risk. Unlike fixed deposits or bank accounts, your principal isn't guaranteed. If a borrower defaults on their loan, you could lose some or even all your money. Think about it this way. Would you lend money to your friend without any guarantee of getting it back? P2P lending is similar, but with strangers and larger sums involved. Is Liquiloans approved by the RBI? Yes, Liquiloans is an RBI registered NBFC P2P platform. Being RBI registered offers some peace of mind, but it's crucial to understand the inherent risk of P2P lending before investing. Think of it as traffic rules. They don't prevent accidents entirely. RBI registration ensures a baseline standard, but due diligence on your part is crucial. Is Liquiloans trustworthy? Trustworthiness is tough to judge. Liquiloans may seem professional, but past performance isn't a guarantee of future results. P2P lending is a relatively new concept in India, and Liquiloans, like others, lacks a long-term track record. A professional website and positive reviews don't guarantee a trustworthy platform. Investing a significant amount based solely on online impressions might be risky. Would you trust a stranger with your hard-earned money based on a website and a few positive reviews? Do your research and consider your risk tolerance before investing in Liquiloans or any other P2P platform. Is Liquiloans a NBFC? Yes, Liquiloans is an NBFC P2P platform. NBFCs are non-banking financial companies that can offer many financial products, including P2P lending. Liquiloans, being an NBFC P2P platform, simply means they operate under a specific regulation. Just like a fancy grocery store might sell unhealthy food, an NBFC can also offer risky products like P2P lending. Is Liquiloans tax-free? The returns you earn on Liquiloans are likely taxable as income from other sources. Taxes are a fact of life, even in the world of P2P lending. So don't get surprised by a tax bill later. Speak to your financial planner to understand the tax implications of investing in Liquiloans. Is Liquiloans profitable? Liquiloans can potentially offer higher returns than traditional investments like fixed deposits. But remember, higher returns come with higher risk. You have to make sure it's in your risk profile before investing. Here's a question to ponder. Would you rather have a guaranteed lower return or a chance at a higher return with the possibility of losing your money altogether? Final takeaway. Liquiloans offer an alternative investment avenue, but it's important to understand the risk involved. P2P lending is not suitable for everyone, especially those with a low risk tolerance. Before investing in Liquiloans or any other P2P platform out in the market, carefully evaluate your financial goals and risk appetite to see if it aligns with your investment strategy. So you can also read the detailed review of this product in our website. The website link is in the description. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment so we can get back to your queries quickly. Like and subscribe for more such financially beneficial videos. If you want to know more about other investment avenues like mutual funds and stocks, you can also consult with one of our financial planners to help guide you. The link is in the description. Thank you.